Google will unveil the Pixel 10 series on tomorrow, suggests the Pixel 10 lineup, likely including the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and 10 Pro Fold. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be available in Moonstone and Jade colors. The cover display measures 6.4 inches, a 60 to 120 Hz refresh rate, and a massive 3000 nit peak brightness. The 8-inch LTPO OLED main panel matches that brightness, and the same cameras as its predecessor. A 48MP main, 10.5MP ultrawide, 10.8MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and two 10MP selfie snappers. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold come with the Tensor G5 chipset with 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, and run on Android 16 OS. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold's battery capacity will grow to 5015 mAh. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to be priced at €1,899. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.